You could literally change someone's life by the end of this video. So first, a little bit of context. My friends Ryan and Tammie, who are in the adoption process, came to me and ordered a crib when they heard I went full-time with my woodworking business. So I built them this crib. You may have seen that if you've been following along with my work. I thought to myself when they ordered the crib, how amazing would it be if I built a second crib, which is this one. And I used that crib to raise funds for their adoption process, which is where you come in. So I created a GoFundMe page that people can contribute to. I'm going to crowdsource the money, and that money will help me do two things. First, it will help me afford to give away this crib for free. It will help me pay off the time and materials that I invested in building the crib. I'm not a famous YouTuber yet. I can't quite do things for free, so like and subscribe, and I'll foot the bill next time. And the other portion of the money, half the other money, will go towards Ryan and Tammie's adoption fees. So that's things like marketing fees, legal fees, travel fees, so many fees. Adoption is incredibly expensive if you're not aware, like north of $30,000 expensive. So this will help them achieve their goal. So once we have the GoFund money, I will then work with a local nonprofit here in the Durham, North Carolina area to find a family in need who would value a handmade crib from a local craftsman. I will then take the crib to their house, assemble it, and they will have that for their baby and future generations. So that's all you have to do. Contribute to the GoFundMe, and I will find a family in need for the crib. And this will literally change 3 sets of people's lives. You can help Ryan and Tammie get one step closer to adopting a child. You can have a family get an incredible crib completely for free. And you will change my life because this is my goal. If I make good furniture and good content, I do a good job of that, I can be generous with my time, money, and energy. So please visit the link in the description below, contribute to the GoFundMe, and let's change some people's lives. I believe in you.